Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to add music to your Instagram status or story on Android. Whether you want to share your favorite song or set the mood for your post, this is super easy. Let's jump in. Alright, first thing, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner or swipe right from your feed to open the story camera. Now, take a photo by tapping the capture button or record a video by holding it down. You can also swipe up to upload a photo or video from your gallery. Okay, once you have your photo or video ready, look at the right side of the screen. You'll see a row of icons for stickers, text, and effects. Tap on the music icon. You'll get it when you see it. Instagram will open a music library with thousands of songs. You can search for a specific song by typing the name, artist, or even browse by mood or genre. Once you find the song you want, tap on it to select it. Then tap on the arrow icon on the bottom right. Now you can choose which part of the song you want to play. Drag the slider to select the exact clip you want. You can also customize how the music sticker looks. You can show the song title, lyrics, or just a small sticker. Once you're happy with it, tap Done or the back arrow. Position the music sticker wherever you want on your story, then tap Your Story at the bottom to post it. And that's it! Your Instagram status now has music playing. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.